MariaDB Foundation has been approached by several of our members about what's our take on vector databases and what's our role. And as a consequence thereof, we've started an initiative together with you.
According to the CEO of MariaDB Foundation, MariaDB has been approached numerous times in regards to what's their take on vector databases. As a result, the MariaDB team has started developing the MariaDB Vector appliance. This video will show you what's under the hood. In MariaDB, vector search looks like so and introduces new specific syntax to MariaDB as well as a new index type to facilitate quick searching for vector embeddings. Here, a vector is defined as an index type rather than a column. In MariaDB, a vector is not a storage engine either. At present, it is a feature in a preview mode. To work with vector embeddings, you would first need to insert data. To do that, you would need to insert values as per the column specification, as well as a numeric representation of a vector using the vec from text function as shown on your screen. To facilitate the search through vector embeddings, you would have to employ queries using the vec distance and vector from text functions. These functions would ask MariaDB to make use of its optimizer to use the vector index that is specifically tuned for this task. If your select query has an order by vec distance clause and a limit clause, MariaDB will make use of a vector index definition. As always, you can verify whether indexes are being used using the explain clause. MariaDB Vector Preview implements a modified version of the hierarchical navigable small words algorithm. Given that this algorithm is used in many vector databases, its use to facilitate support for MariaDB Vector Search isn't at all surprising. MariaDB recommends using MariaDB Vector Search to implement powerful search functionalities to find similar images, documents or multimedia content, find related rows in a table without manually labeling them, or even to build personalized product recommendations based on user behavior. What do you think about MariaDB Vector Search? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and until next time.